We need dinner plate, milk, salt, food colorant, and dropper. First, pour the milk into a dinner plate. If you have powder colorant, just dissolve them in water. Later, with the dropper, add 2 drops of the liquid colorant in the milk. Add swab to the cotton swabs. If you put the cotton swab with the soap in the middle of the colorants, this will happen.
Now we are going to learn what happens if you put cornstarch in the mix of the bubbles. We need half a cup of soap dishes, 2 cups of distilled water, a quarter cup of cornstarch, wool gloves, and a wand to make bubbles. In a bowl, put the distilled water. In the same bowl, put the half cup of soap dishes. Now we mix. Now we will incorporate the quarter cup of cornstarch. Now we mix again. When we have the mixture, we will blow carefully and we will get a bubble. This because if you put cornstarch in the mix of the bubbles, they bounce in the wool globes.
Now we are going to make a special clear ink that makes the color ink disappear. It's very important that we use washable markers. If we use others, the erasable marker is not going to work. The only things we need is a little bit of bleach, a non-marker that is dry out, and some water. We are going to remove the ink and the tip of the marker to clean them up. If you're using a water marker, the ink and the deposit ink marker is going to be easier to clean, just with water. Once both parts are completely clean, we put the empty ink of the marker on the bleach. And then we put back the tip and now the bleach ink of the marker. Now watch the magic.
Now we are going to show you how to make a secret ink market. I'm going to use a non-market that is dry out, a lighter, and a coke. Now we have to do the same steps to clean up the market. Once both parts are completely clean, we put back the tip and now the empty ink of the market. Then we put a little bit of coke inside the market. Now write something in a piece of paper and wait. If you want to reveal your secret message, you just have to put the paper in contact with any source of heat, and it's done. We are going to use cooking oil, a tin, alcohol, a jar, lighter, candle, and a colorant with water. First, we are going to put a finger of alcohol. Then, we are going to put a few drops of cooking oil. For the colorant, we use the ink from the markers of the previous experiment. We are going to pour 3 fingers of water with colorant. If it looks like this, we can continue. Now, we will fill the jar completely with oil. If bubbles have remained, then we must wait. Now, light the candle and place it inside the tin. If you know your jar isn't thick, then put an aluminum bed underneath. And now we have to wait. This happened because if we put the candle under the jar, the heat causes the density of the mixture of alcohol and water to decrease, and that is why it rises.